Okay, so we're here with the Hollywood LED Vanity Mirror Light Kit by YYLC, and I love these. I think they're going to work out great. They just strung together. I just put 5 of them together. It comes with a total of 10, and so I just put 5 of them together. Now one of the bulbs has a little extension right here that you plug into the dimmer switch. Okay, so let's see, we have a male and a female. So I connected that together, and I like the way they were strung together, the individual bulbs themselves, nice and tight as we can see, so they're not going to fall apart on you. Yeah, I don't know how well you can see that, but it just plugs right in and they string together kind of like Christmas lights. This is great. Came with the power adapter, so we put the dimming switch in and then right into the power adapter. Okay, I just saw a flash. Let's see what happens. I think this is the on-off switch, but there's no button. You just touch the plastic right here. Oh, okay. Yep, they're pretty bright. I might be a little washed out right now, but I love how bright they are because that was my concern. I was really afraid that they weren't going to be bright enough. Let's see, to dim it, you just hold your finger down. You see how I'm dimming them down? You hold your finger on it and it dims right down. Hold the finger on, it dims right back up. Or you can tap it to turn it on and off. Oh, these are nice. And I believe when you get them on the mirror, yeah, you can tuck this right behind the mirror, and you can even tighten them up by wrapping them back around, and they'll hide on the inside of this little groove here. And then you can take whatever you have left and maybe plug it behind, tuck it behind your mirror so they won't show. But yeah, I'm very excited about this. I think, whoop, very sensitive. I think we're going to get a lot of good light out of this. So I'm really motivated now to go buy that mirror. And when I do, I will maybe do another video, and I'll peel and stick. This is kind of like command tape. And they give you these stickers that, I'm sorry, washi cloths, so that you can just wipe it right down and clean your mirrors. And I think it'll stick pretty well. It looks like they give you everything you need to succeed. So thank you so much, and tune in for that next video when we get our mirror. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe below.